The next generation Dodge Durango will reportedly be built at Windsor Assembly and will ride on the STLA Large platform. The model will feature both internal combustion engines and electric powertrains. If the Durango is reportedly similar to the Charger, which is also built at the plant, this could mean the 3-row crossover could have a battery pack with a capacity of around 100.5 kilowatt-hours, as well as a dual-motor all-wheel drive system. The entry-level EV produces 456 horsepower and 490 pound-feet of torque, while the Charger Daytona Scat Pack has 440 horsepower and 630 pound-feet of torque. The gasoline version is expected to feature a 3.0-litre twin-turbo Hurricane inline-six engine. In the Charger, it produces 420 horsepower and 550 horsepower. As for the current Durango, it will reportedly cease production in 2027. The updated Dodge Durango will go into production in 2026. The Durango will likely not be the only new crossover produced at Windsor Assembly, as the 2-row Chrysler is set to go into production in early 2026. It will be based on the STLA medium platform, which is designed for vehicles between 4,300 and 4,900 millimeters in length. The STLA medium EVs are expected to have a battery pack with a capacity of up to 98 kilowatt-hours, which can provide a range of up to 430 miles. Stellantis also said they will be offered with front or all-wheel drive and have outputs ranging from 215 horsepower to 382 horsepower.